Hi guys, West Coast Arachnids. This is feeding video number 4, part 4. And these are the difficilis, the fire red bird eaters. Now they both molted, but one is seems to be a little bit ahead of the other as far as age and size. This one here is like a young juvie, and that one there looks like it's like its third instar maybe. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drop one in there. This guy might not eat because he's just been rehoused a little while back. He really hasn't been situated in there long. I've taken the back legs off the crickets to make it easier for these guys. They're quite small. Seems to be running away. Well, if he's going to take him, he's going to take him. It's right in front of him. Pretty sure he knows it's there. Come on, jump on him. You know you want it. It's like sushi. Good move. Not even interested. He's sitting there flicking at his front legs. I know those are his pedipalp. Alright. Oh, he just wants out. Sneaky little bugger. Okay, we're gonna leave that cricket in there because I know he'll eat it. He hasn't eaten in a few weeks or a couple of weeks. I'm waiting for all these guys to molt. I thought he had molted too, but I don't think he will. He hasn't. It hasn't been long enough. So these guys are probably a month or so apart in age, or maybe just one's not so speedy at growth, I guess. Alright. Now let's go for Lazidora number 3. Now this is number 3. Number 2 is deceased. Rest in peace. Thanks to my mishaps. But you learn from your mistakes. Hopefully he takes this. Oh, just jumped on it. Look at that. Booyah. Good job. I knew he'd eat. Next is Brachypelma vagans. There's 3 of them. One of them that had just molted the other day, he's hardened up now. He molted with that Lazidora parahybana. He had something wrong with the back end of him. I'll get to that when I get to the video. I'll explain a little more there, and when we get to him or her. And you enjoy it, little fella. Good job. Alright. And we're on to feeding video number 5. Yeah, 5. And yes, Calcium hasn't eaten yet. Crickets are running around. I'm not sure about this one though. I can only see one cricket, so the other one might be down there. He might have got invited to tea. No, he's there. He's behind the leaf. And this one's got one on the leaf above his hole and one down there. So they haven't eaten. Anyway, we'll get on to feeding video number 5. Please subscribe, it would help us a lot. That'd be great. And bye for now.